ago probably, but I don't know why the hell y'all are even out here. Do you have to work? You know, that's what makes me wonder. Do you have to work? Where the hell are you going? Why are you out here? But anyways, that's the stuff that upsets me a little bit. People out here for what? And I'm sure I'll get good and bad comments on it, but you know what? It's the truth. Because I'm telling you, I would not be out here because I done went and did everything, and I ain't going to do nothing.